What is a video game? A video game specifically relates to programmed software that interacts with an operating system. This software involves a graphic user interface that allows the user to be able to play the game.
The hardware that is needed to play a video game. The first thing you're going to need is a personal computer to allow you to put the software onto it to play the video game. The second thing you're going to need is a video screen, preferably an LCD, a high quality one that will give you high definition format to view. You're going to need a keyboard to be able to enter the commands to play the video game. And then you're going to need a mouse and a joystick, which will allow you to move your character around. And if you're in a joystick, like if you're in an airplane or a spaceship or whatever have you, you need the joystick to operate the vehicle. Video game controllers for PCs are available. They're much like console video game controllers, and they're handheld. And one of the most important things is you're going to need speakers, because playing a video game without speakers just seems rather senseless. And what you're looking at here is basically a good pictorial representation of the hardware needed to play a video game.
Other hardware and software. These are a few things that you want to make sure that are updated and you have the right thing for your computer when installing the video game. A video card, video drivers, audio card, and audio drivers. If these are not updated, or the specific ones you need to be able to run this video game, you might have very choppy visuals, the audio might not sound very good, and the overall game might not even work or will be very laggy if it actually runs. So make sure that all these are up to date and that you have the right ones, or if you need to update them or anything like that, go to your manufacturer's website for what kind of computer you have, and then you can install the update. Installation. Here are a few things you need to know when installing the game to your computer. If the computer does not have driver software already involved in, 1. Go to the manufacturer's website and find the install driver and software page. Number 2. Enter in the service tag computer model or search for drivers. 3. Once the proper driver is located, you download straight from the company website. 4. Once downloaded, install the software. Open the CD-ROM drive and place the disk in the tray. The computer will notice the disk and will ask what step to take. Choose to install the software on the disk.
As with most things in life, there are advantages and disadvantages. The pluses to video games is that they give you hours of simulated gameplay. If your friends have the same game, then you can all play online together. If the weather outside is inclement, then you can come inside and play video games until it gets better. And usually on a lot of video games you can resell them for about 50% or more. Some of the disadvantages are going to be cost. Right away, the console in a high gaming PC is going to be very, very expensive. The actual video games are usually $40 to $60 or more. The hardware is going to add up, and another thing is the disk can scratch and just be rendered useless. The console can overheat and completely fail. The game may not even be to your liking, and you may have to return it or not be able to return it. And some games